Hi, welcome to Lino Economics Net YouTube channel. Today I talk about price elasticity of demand and its calculation. As we discussed in the previous video, the topic demand. The price of a product increase, the quantity demanded will decrease, and the price decrease, the quantity of demanded will increase. There is an inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded. Here, in price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded due to changes in the price of the product. There is a difference in the consumer response when the price of a necessary good increase and price of a luxury good increase. So, here we are discussing the responsiveness of quantity demanded due to changes in the price of the product. Now, let's check how to calculate price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand, PED, is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. This is the equation. Let's do one example. A fall in price from 40 to 30 causes the demand to expand from 60 to 75 units. Calculate price elasticity of demand. Okay, let's do the calculation. First of all, we have to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded. How can we calculate percentage change in quantity demanded? There is an equation. To calculate percentage change in quantity demanded, we have to do another equation. The new quantity demanded minus original quantity demanded divided by original quantity demanded into 100. This is the equation to calculate percentage change in quantity demanded. Here in our example, new quantity demanded is 75 units and original quantity demanded is 60 units. The original quantity 60 into 100. So we get 25%. So we got the percentage change in quantity demanded. The next step, the percentage change in price. Please look at here. The percentage change in price we can do in another equation. New price minus original price divided by original price into 100. In our example, the new price is 30 and original price is 40. So we have to do 30 minus 40 divided by 40 into 100. That is minus 25%. Okay, we got the percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price. Now we can apply that in price elasticity demand equation. Percentage change in quantity demanded here is 25 and percentage change in price is minus 25%. So we got the answer minus 1. Mostly the value of price elasticity of demand is in minus value because when the price and the quantity demanded are inversely related, when the price increase, the quantity demanded will decrease, and price decrease, the quantity demanded will increase. This inverse relationship creates the minus sign in price elasticity of demand. There is an easy way to calculate price elasticity of demand other than these steps. It would be helpful when we are doing multiple choice questions. When there is multiple choice question, it is very difficult for us to do all these steps one by one. It is better to learn the easy way too. That equation is delta Q by delta P into P by Q. Delta Q means change in quantity. Delta P means change in price. P means initial price or original price. Q means initial or original quantity. Then we can apply our example in this equation. In our example, delta Q, the changes in the quantity 75 minus 60, that is 15. Delta P, changes in the price, that is 30 minus 40, that is minus 10. And P, the initial price is 40 and initial quantity is 60. We got the same answer, minus 1, that is the price elasticity of demand. So, you can use these two methods to calculate price elasticity of demand. Dear students, price elasticity of demand part 1 we discussed definition and calculation of price elasticity of demand. In remaining parts I am going to explain different degrees of price elasticity of demand and elastic and inelastic demand and its details. Furthermore, the total revenue and price elasticity of demand. Next one, how price elasticity of demand will affect consumers, producers and the government decision making. If this class is worth for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you will get the notification when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.